Hi, my name is Matt Crowley. I'm the Senior Manager of Optimized Services here at MoreVisibility, and welcome to this month's Ask the Expert. Our question this month is related to Google Analytics and traffic drops. It's a really great question, and here it is. Looking at Google Analytics, I've noticed that our website is losing organic traffic. What's happening and what do we do? It's a really great question and actually really great timing. We just held a webinar on technical optimization, which is really relevant to this topic, so we'll be sure to include a link alongside this video in case you're looking for some more information. Now to the question. So the first thing that you'll want to do is identify whether or not this is a slow decrease over time or if this is a very sudden drop. A slow decrease over time is an indicator that you may need to take another look at your SEO strategy at a higher level. Maybe what you're doing isn't exactly working for search engines or your audience, and so it may be time to just take a minute to reassess where you're heading and what the best path forward is. If it's a sudden drop, that's usually an indicator that there may be a much larger technical issue. And that's what we're going to focus on first, because a quick sudden drop can actually be, as I said, an indicator of much larger issues, so you want to tackle that very, very rapidly if you have the resources to do so. And the first place to look is an overall audit of your website. That's usually going to start with things like your robots.txt file and your HTTP header responses. You'll want to make sure that your site is easily crawlable first before you start looking into additional optimization considerations. Second, you'll want to look at the content on your website. Is it relevant to your users and is it well targeted? So at a very high level, the three steps that you'll want to take if you start noticing decreases in your organic traffic are: 1, identify if it's a slow decrease over time or a sudden drop; 2, perform an audit of your website for technical issues such as the robots.txt file being improperly formatted or HTTP header responses not being accurate; and the third thing you want to do is audit your website for content. Is it relevant to your audience and is it well targeted? For more information, we'll be sure to include a link in the video, and so if you're interested, we'd love for you to take a look.